Welcome to one of the largest manufacturing plants on Earth.
Today, we will show you exactly how a modern airliner is assembled, step by step.
From millions of individual parts to a machine capable of breaking the sound barrier. It starts here. Huge aluminum body panels are delivered and lifted by overhead cranes.
Automated systems align these massive sections with laser precision to join them together. Robots punch thousands of rivets into the skin. This creates a bond stronger than welding. Inside, the fuselage is just a hollow tube, ready to be transformed.
Workers install thick thermal insulation to protect passengers from the freezing cold.
Finally, the nose section, the brain of the aircraft, is lowered into place.
Here comes the most critical part, the wings. They carry the fuel and lift the entire plane.
Attaching them requires absolute accuracy. Even a millimeter off could be a disaster.
Meanwhile, in the engine shop, technicians assemble titanium turbine blades by hand.
These massive jet engines are worth millions of dollars each.
Robotic arms guide the engines to their mounting points under the wings. They are bolted down securely to withstand immense thrust and vibration. With wings and engines attached, it finally starts to look like a real airplane. But a plane needs a nervous system. Miles of electrical wiring connect every switch. In the cockpit, advanced avionics wake up for the first time. Moving to the cabin, the floor panels are laid down over the cargo hold. Hundreds of seats are installed rapidly using a rail system on the floor. Storage bins, galleys, and lavatories are snapped into place like a giant puzzle. The interior is now complete, offering comfort and safety for future travelers.
Next, the aircraft enters the paint shop. Robots apply a protective white coating. The airline's livery and logos are applied with painstaking attention to detail. For the first time, the jacks are removed, and the plane stands on its own landing gear.
This milestone is called rollout. The aircraft leaves the factory floor.
It shines under the sun, but it's not ready to fly passengers just yet.
Test pilots must now push the aircraft to its limits to ensure total safety. The engines roar to life, burning jet fuel and running final system checks.
Everything looks green. The plane taxis to the runway for its maiden voyage.
Takeoff. The machine defies gravity, proving that thousands of parts are working as one.
After successful tests, the plane is certified and ready for delivery to the airline.
And that is how a commercial airliner is built today. Thanks for joining the tour.